everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back filming, as you would have seen in last week's video. But today I'm going to be kind of doing a tutorial on the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I have had this since it came out in Australia. I've literally had it for months and I haven't filmed with it because obviously I didn't have my studio ready and I wasn't filming at that time. So this is why this review is coming so late. And I know that Jeffree's revealing his summer palette, so it is what it is. I'm just going to use it, do a little tutorial, talk about the packaging because I absolutely love packaging. And yeah, let's go get straight into this. So I have never tried a Jeffree Star eyeshadow before. I've tried everything else pretty much, except the lip ammos. I haven't tried those. But this is the Blood Sugar palette, and it literally slides out into this, and it's like feels like leather. I'm sure it's not leather because it's vegan and cruelty free. But it is so beautiful. It is made to look like the old school med kits. And then you open it up and ta-da! It looks like that. So there are all the eyeshadows there. Now I haven't used any and I have been waiting literally for so long to try this. So this is going to be amazing. I never owned a red eyeshadow ever. Funnily enough, so this has some gorgeous colors. The cherry soda, I really want to use that red today, and the fresh meat next to it, it's really nice. I don't know if I want to do like a shimmer today, but yeah. So these pans are supposed to be smaller than his other ones, I think in his Androgyny and Beauty Killer, but you get more of them, which makes sense. So I'm just going to do a quick little swatch. Let's swatch the cherry soda. Oh, I don't want to take a pat now. So that is cherry soda, and I'll swatch the fresh meat. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. So swatching that fresh meat, the little star has been smudged. I'm not sure if you can see that. So it's already been smudged. That's sad. But anyways, let's prime our eyes and get into it. Okay, so I've just brought you in a little closer. Now I always start off with a neutral base, so I'm going to use the Sugarcane, which is that shade there, as my neutral base. They don't really have a smell. I think it's just the leather that smells. And this is a perfect shade to have on my base. So now I'm going to go in with my G24 Morphe blending brush. Everyone knows how I feel about this brush. And we are going to do the cake mix, which is the one right next to it. And I'm just going to blend that into the crease, just because using red eyeshadows, you don't want a real harsh line against obviously my pale eyelids. So I'm just going to bring that up almost to the brow bone. Now, what I have already seen with these shadows is that they are pigmented. I swear every beauty blogger loves that word. Which means they're very rich in color and you don't need a lot of product, for those who don't know what the word pigmented means and are new to the beauty community on YouTube. So I'm just putting that all in there and I'm going to blend it down into the corner of my eye, just because I don't want anything to be harsh when I do start with the red colors. Go back to my little flat brush here, and I'm going to go with the color Prick, which is that bright red, and we're just going to, might help if I actually put it on my brush, chuck it in the corner here. It's a nice color. I thought it would be brighter, and I don't know if that's because I've got the other shade underneath, but anyways. And then I'm gonna go in with the cherry soda that I swatched for you. I'm gonna chuck that right next to it. They are very similar, the cherry soda and the prick. The prick looks a lot lighter in the palette, but it goes on almost the same color. I'm just going to go back in with my blending brush and just start to blend that because I don't want it to set in the harsh line. Okay, then I'm going to go in with the fresh meat color, and I'm going to use my Morphe R42 brush. And because that is on the corner, I'm going to have to blend, blend, blend. And then I'm going to go in with the, I don't even know how to say that word. It is like a dark brown. I'm not even going to attempt it. Intravenous, maybe. And I'm just going to stick that right in the corner. We're going to smoke it out today because why not? I never really wear these colors. They kind of come out pink more than they are red. I have used a pinky color, like the fresh meat came out really pink. It does look like a burgundy, but did come out fresh. It came out fresh. Did come out pinky. That's why I'm putting a little bit of this brown over the top. It's because I didn't really want a pink look today. So that was kind of deceiving. That it has come out so like pink, not like a rich red, which I thought it would be. Is looking a little too pink for me. So I'm going to go in with that cherry soda, just a little bit of it. I'm going to start to blend that into my crease. Now the good thing with my eyelids is that they're kind of small. It is what it is. So I can bring up my eyeshadow a little bit higher into my brow bone area. Let's try that again. And it won't look like a massive like drag look. So if you do have little eyes, even hooded eyes, you can bring it up a little bit just because it is a lighter color. It won't like accentuate the hoods in your eyes. It's pretty. It is pink though. I wouldn't call this red. And that is the cherry soda color. I am going to go back in with that prick and just try and deepen this red. So I'm going to get rid of this purple and go in with that dark brown, like all over here. Okay, so the one thing you're gonna have to be careful with this palette is make it look like you got punched in the eye. Just because of the shades are red, pink, purple tones, you're gonna get hit in the eye. That's the color it's gonna go. So that kind of shade area I've got there would happen if I got a black eye, but it's not looking too bad. I am gonna go in with my concealer and my beauty blender and just clean up this pink area here that has smudged down a little bit. So I am going to keep it matte today. I don't know, I just feel like having it matte. There are a few shimmers in here, but I don't really want to put them on. I'm just really intensifying that prick color again. blending it over the dark brown. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in my lower lash line, try to blend this through. So I'm gonna do exactly the same as what I did on the top, on the bottom. I'm gonna leave out those pinky shades because I don't want them. So I'm gonna go in with the prick color using my R42 again and just put that all along the lower lash line. My lower lashes decide to be very sensitive today. A little definitely goes a long way with this palette. That's what I'll say about that. The colors are not very true to color, which is kind of annoying because I was really looking forward to like bright reds, and they've come out kind of pink. Sucks. Anyways, it is what it is, and I am going to use that dark color on the ends just to help blend in that smokiness on the corner. Okay, so this is my final look. I went for a nice bold red lipstick because why not? My final thoughts on this palette is that I do love it. It's really pigmented, really easy to blend and everything. The colors work great together. My only downfall is that it's not a bright red like it is in the pans in the palette, or like the outside of the packaging. Like I thought I was gonna get an eyeshadow like this. This does not look the same, but it is still nice. So I am gonna give it a thumbs up just because it is super blendable. I will try out the other colors and see if they come off. I understand that reds are really hard, even with liquid lipsticks, getting the pigment and the color right. So I'm not gonna be all judgy because I don't have my own cosmetics line. So that's the only thing there, that they didn't come out as red as I had hoped, but they're still nice. So I do like it. For the price, I would expect to get a red, and I don't know if it's because I laid down that other color as my neutral base. Maybe I'll wear it next time and I'll see if they come out red. But yeah, that is pretty much it with this video. I'm currently wearing the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. Today's the first time I've tried it, and you'll be able to see that on my Insta story. I'll leave it as a highlight, and it is insane how good my eyelashes look. It honestly feels like I have false eyelashes on, but they're mine. And I only got the mini size because just in case I didn't like it, didn't want to waste like $40 something on mascara I'm not going to use. But I do love it, so I will be purchasing the big one, full price one. But yeah, that is it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy having me back on YouTube and doing stuff on Instagram. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a new video. Bye guys.